और ये बताएं, आप बताएं बेटा कि ये जो लोग आए हुए हैं, ये लोग अपने बच्चे आपको क्यों दें, क्या सिखाएंगे आप इन बच्चों को?
As you everyone has seen that we perform our things Arabic and English. I think that in this time and in this period we have to think about it, because there is a lot of things we are performing and we have to learn Arabic and English language. You can see in all departments in government they are I don't want to say, but my thing that is Shia that is saying that is going high and day by day, and their purpose is that they say that we will give you money, we will give you all facilities, and you have to study this one, and your work will after this after your job, after your post, whenever you get this one, your work is that you have to take 2% and admit in this department. And we can see all our department, all our government